A sleepless night in an earthquake-stricken city. Just 3 weeks after a magnitude 7.2 earthquake hit Hualien, fresh aftershocks rattled the city every few minutes well into the morning. Some reached magnitude 6 or greater.
下午开始就开始在有地震啊，今天凌晨的时候就特别大。
2 buildings were unable to withstand the shaking. One had already been condemned. But the other, which housed a hotel, had not been flagged as potentially unsafe.
这栋没有被通报为要去做紧急评估，所以目前它没有被贴单。我家人在楼上这边进得去吗？
Firefighters rushed to help find people trapped inside. This woman was taken to a nearby hospital just to be safe. Meanwhile, those able to get out themselves brought whatever they could carry, realizing they've now joined the thousands of people already displaced by Hualien's recent earthquakes. Hualien County officials canceled all work and classes Tuesday, warning that more aftershocks are coming.
大小余震非常的频繁，也不断。我想今天大家也都在这个惊惶恐惧，从昨天晚上到现在，所以请乡亲这个如果能够到空旷的地方，尽量到空旷的地方，那不要在大厦里面。
And while seismologists say what's happening in Hualien isn't unusual after a major earthquake, they say the shaking could continue for some time.
那以过去来看，这种大规模地震，它可能整个余震的延续到数个月到半年都是有可能的。
They say there's even a very small chance an even bigger earthquake could be on the way.
过去的统计是大概5%的机会，它是一个前震的情形。
There is no way to predict earthquakes, though, making this a matter of chance. The one thing seismologists agree on is that Taiwan is one part of the world where quakes are bound to happen. The only thing people in Hualien and elsewhere across the country can do is to prepare for even more tremors ahead.